Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in into Empower account and how to sign in and access your Empower retirement dashboard. So first of all, what you have to do is open your web browser and type in empower.com. So you have to go to this website and you have to type this into your URL section and you will land on this page. Now to sign in, simply you have to click on login, which you will find on the top right corner. Click on login and then you will be able to see three different options. If you have a workplace retirement account, and either you can also sign in with your Empower personal dashboard, which is outside of a workplace account. And if you have your individual Empower investment account, you can also sign in into that as well, which is also outside of a workplace account. So select the appropriate option and click on login to whatever option you like. Now it will take you to this page. Simply you have to type in your email address and click on continue, and on the next page it will ask for your password. Enter your password and after that you will be successfully signed in into your Empower account. And that's simply how you can log into Empower account. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.